Hey guys, so I wanted to show this kit that I uploaded yesterday. It's the PSL Pistol, and a lot of people just were wanting a video, that way they can see exactly what it is. So I'll go over it briefly, and then we'll just take it apart. It's not done, obviously, as you can tell. It's saw cut, but let's go and get started. So this is a top cover with the rail riveted in. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right, this sight, I don't know what the hell this sight is, but the guy gave me this sight. I got this top cover, gave me the sight with it. So does it work? I have no idea. So recoil spring. Then this is the pistol right here. Now let me bring it out. It's a CSS blank. I believe it was CSS or Yugoslavian grip. Surplus trigger. Has a Polish. I was looking at it. Polish underfolder. Trend unit installed. Carrier has been modified, obviously. Just a bolt. I'm missing a rear sight here. The leaf. The rear side block's been pinned. It's actually on a 7.5 inch, and I tried it barrel chambered, obviously, in 7.62 by 54. Then it has this gas block front side combo. But what I'm thinking about doing is I'm going to push that out and try to throw on a lower handguard retainer. Just need to make sure I have some wood for it though. Actually, hold on. Admire this kit. Give me a second. I wonder if one of these might work. You know, I'd have to hollow that thing out, and even then, check it. I'd have to make it wider, but I mean, no, wouldn't work. I'd have to modify that. What about this RPK one? I think it might work. Maybe. Ha! I think the RPK is the winner. What do you guys think? Literally does not move at all. But yeah, anyways, this is the kit, guys. So this is what I need, and I'm just going to more than likely just rebuild it on a PSL receiver and go test fire it. For all you guys that are saying that this is gonna create a ban on 5.4, you better stock up, because I like building whatever the hell I have. so I'm not gonna say no to this. Shit, I might even SBR. Got Yugoslavian 4.8 rivets stock set right here. Look at this, how badass. Boom. Damn, it's friggin' gnarly right there. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think.